In this lecture, we are going to solve sixth question related to second order control system. The question is the open loop transfer function of unity feedback system is given by Gs is equal to K divided by S into St plus 1. By what factor should the gain K be reduced so that the peak overshoot of unit step response of system reduce from 75% to 25%. So in this question, the forward path transfer function Gs is equal to K divided by S into St plus 1 is given. And since it is a unity feedback system, the feedback path transfer function Hs will be equal to 1. Therefore, the closed loop transfer function of such system will be Cs by Rs is equal to Gs divided by 1 plus Gs into Hs. Now we put the values of Gs, Hs in this equation. We will get K divided by S into St plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus K divided by S into St plus 1 into 1. When we solve this equation, we will get K divided by S square T plus S plus K. Now we take T common from the denominator. Then this will be equal to K by T divided by S square plus S by T plus K by T. Let this be equation number 1. We know that the standard form of equation of closed loop transfer function of second order system is given by Cs by Rs is equal to omega n square divided by S square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Let this be equation number 2. Now comparing equation number 1 and 2, we will get omega n square is equal to K by T. From here we will get omega n is equal to under root K by T, and 2 zeta omega n will be equal to 1 by T. From here zeta will be equal to 1 upon 2 T into under root K by T. We are just putting the value of omega n from this equation here. When we rationalize this denominator equation, we will get zeta is equal to 1 upon 2 into under root Kt. We know that the maximum overshoot MP is equal to e to the power minus zeta pi divided by under root 1 minus zeta square. This will be equal to log MP is equal to minus zeta pi divided by under root 1 minus zeta square. Now when we square both sides, we will get log MP whole square is equal to zeta square pi square divided by 1 minus zeta square. Now from the previous derivation, we found out zeta is equal to 1 upon 2 into under root Kt. So from this equation, zeta square will be equal to 1 upon 4 Kt. We put this zeta square here, which is equal to 1 upon 4 Kt. Then we will get log MP whole square is equal to pi square upon 4 Kt divided by 1 minus 1 upon 4 Kt. This will be equal to pi square divided by 4 Kt minus 1. Let this be equation number 3. Now let for the maximum overshoot MP1 is equal to 0.75, zeta is equal to zeta 1 and K is equal to K1. Therefore, from equation number 3, log of MP1 square will be equal to pi square divided by 4K1T minus 1. Now we'll put the value of MP1 here. We'll get log 0.75 square is equal to pi square divided by 4K1T minus 1. Log 0.75 is minus of 0.2877. This square will be equal to pi square divided by 4K1 T minus 1 we will get. When we square this, we will get 0.0827 is equal to pi square divided by 4K1 T minus 1. After solving this equation, we will get K1 is equal to 30.067 divided by T. Let this be equation number X. Again, let when the maximum overshoot MP is equal to 0.25. Zeta is equal to zeta 2 and constant K is equal to K2. Now from equation number 3, log of MP2 square will be equal to pi square divided by 4 K2T minus 1. Now we put the value of MP2 here, we'll get log of 0.25 whole square is equal to pi square divided by 4K2T minus 1. This will be equal to 1.9218, which is equal to pi square divided by 4K2T minus 1. When we solve this equation, we will get K2 is equal to 1.534 divided by T. Let this be equation number y. Now we divide equation number x and y, then we'll get K1 by K2 is equal to 30.067 divided by T divided by 1.534 divided by T. This T and this T get cancel out and we will get K1 by K2 is equal to 19.6. So from this equation, K2 will be equal to K1 divided by 19.6. Therefore, the gain K should be reduced by factor 19.6 times to reduce the peak overshoot from 75% to 25%. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.